Hello and a very warm welcome to Kindercastle. Today our sound is for the letter P. The sound for letter P is P. P. This is how we write the small letter P. When we are teaching a sound, it is very important to concentrate on the correct sound and also the words associated with it. This is letter P. The sound is P. What is this? This is a pie. Pie. Let's see more. Here we have things that starts with the sound of letter P. P. Panda. P. Pear. P. Popcorn. P. Pumpkin. P. Pizza. This is how the children can relate to the sound when they are shown most of these pictures that starts with the letter sound. Once we are done with this and once we've revised with the sound again, then we need to teach the kids the formation of the sound. The formation of the sounds is, first we need to teach the kids formation with the free hands. Generally, I take the two fingers and ask the children to start drawing in the air. And how do we do that? So let's do it with me and let's start. Start from the top, go down, come above and make a round. Let's do it again and now let's do it with the help of this. Start from the top, go down, come above and make a round. When the children gets active with this, let's practice this at least 3 to 4 times. Start from the top, go down, come above and make a round. Again, we need to show these kids some more pictures so that they indulge themselves in the same letter. P, pink. P, parrot. P, pie. Now, once the children are ready to hold a pencil, that I have already told in my previous videos, we hold the pencil with the froggy grip. And now, let's see how do we make it with the pencil. So, we start from the top, we go down, come above and make a round. This is easy. We start from the top, we go down, come above and make a round. To help the kids can also start with the pre-letter technique, and that is moving their hands round and round, up and down, up and down. And now again, we start from the top, go down, come above and make a round. We start from the top, go down, come above and make a round. This is very easy and very helpful for the kids as this is very fast and an innovative way of learning.